What's up? What's up? This is Mikey Mike T, for real, for real. I'm out here in my backyard. You can see there's absolutely no leaves in the backyard area right there. However, all the leaves right here on this tarp. What we got is a rake. We got a rake and a blower. So actually, we got two rakes. That's my grandson right there. That's DJ. And Professor, you definitely want to get some hands on, and if you want a dog, you can have a dog helping you. But basically, we take this tarp right here and we fill the tarp up with leaves, and we just simply pull the tarp. And if you got a tarp that got a hole in it, like this one do, it'll leave some residue. So what you want to do is you want to rake all the leaves up onto this tarp. And try not to put any in that hole right there, because that'll cause you to do more work. So that's the case of how to rake leaves professional. You have a additional tarp over here. This is really, really cool. You have an additional tarp, and you take that with you over here. And you see all the leaves back here, right? Well, that won't be the case anymore after we get done tarping it up.
Woo!
Okay? All right, DJ.